Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can reset your YouTube feed on your iPhone. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your YouTube app and then log into your account that you wanna reset your feed. So as you can see, my feed is about like this. So I want to reset this. So you have to do is go to your profile at the bottom right corner, and then you will see over here history as well. You can simply click on this and go to delete this as well. So I want to click on this gear icon on the top right corner, and then comes in this section, and you will see over here manage all history. Once you click on this, you will see history of your YouTube app or like that. So once it's gonna be lowered, you will see your feed as well. So wait until it's gonna be load properly. So as you can see over here, this is about your history. So as you can see over here, you will see you have recently watched videos on the YouTube. So you want to reset your feed to come to get new videos on your feed. So you have to do is simply click on this, wait until it's gonna be completely loaded. You can simply click on this delete option over here and delete all the times, and then you will see over here confirmation. Confirm you would like to delete the following activities. This action will disable YouTube features that rely on YouTube history on personalize your experience. So once you click on this delete option, and then it's going to be deleted, and you have to simply click on got it, and then it's gonna be delete all the feed that you have recently on your YouTube. So as you can see, there is no video over here that you have recently watched, and then you have to do is simply exit your YouTube and then again open your YouTube app, and then you will see over here there is no feed over here. To get feed, you have to simply search over here anything that you wanna like or that you wanna review, or you can see over here. So that's it. That's how you can reset your YouTube feed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.